Hello guys, today we'll be looking at assignment operators in JavaScript. So let's go over to Visual Studio Code, which is my IDE. You can use your own IDE, but for me I'm using Visual Studio Code. So I create a file, a JavaScript file. You can name it anything, but I'm going to name my own operators.js because it's a JavaScript file. So today we are looking at assignment operators. So assignment operators allows you to assign values to JavaScript variables. So let's look at it. So we are looking at assignment operators. They allow you to assign values to JavaScript variables. So let's look at a couple of assignment operators. So the first one is this, using this equal to sign. So we have this. So let's look at it. If you have something like a variable x, which is a variable, you can assign a value using the equals to sign to it. So 5. So what this does is it assigns the value of 5 to this variable x. Or another example, name equals to Peter. So also we have the addition assignment operator. Addition assignment operator. So this is how it works. Assuming you have a variable, let's say score equals to 45, and you want to add 5 to it. You can say score. The new score will be score plus 5. So instead of repeating this scope, writing it this way, you can use the addition assignment operator to write it like this: score plus or equals to 5. So if we print score to the console.log score, so let's see. Yep. So oh, that was an error from my side. Sorry about that. Node operators.js 55. Did we get 55? Yeah. So what happened was, over here the score was 45. So when you had 45 plus 5 gives you 50. So in this place, what it does was 50 plus pi gives you 55. So this is the more shorter way of doing it. So this is the addition assignment operator. So let's look at one more example. If we look at width, let's say width equals to 12, and we do width minus, okay, we are still doing the plus or equals to 10. So if we print out width using the console log, console.log width. So let's go to the console and see. So we have 22, that is 12 plus 10. So the next one we have is the subtraction assignment operator. Subtraction assignment operators. So let's look at it. So the syntax is like this: minus, let's comment it, minus or equals to. So let's look at as an example. If we have let's say height equals to 70, and to use the subtraction operator, what you do is height minus or equals, if we are to add if we have to subtract 12 from it. So what it does is going to take the current value of height and subtract 12 from it. It's the same thing as saying something like this. It's the same thing as saying height equals to height minus 12. So let's console out .log height. So not to confuse you, I comment out the previous console so that you don't get confused. So yeah, you can see sorry. So let's go over to our console and I clear this. So you can see that what it does is 70 minus 12. So that is the subtraction assignment operator. So you also have the multiplication assignment operator. So what that does is equivalent to something like this: multiplication and equals to. So let's look at an example. If you have x equals to 5, and you do something like this: x times equals to 3. So what it does is it takes the present value of x and times it by 3. So when it does that, the current value of x is going to be x 5 times 3. So let's look at it so I comment out this so that you don't get confused. So let's console it, the value of x in this. So console.log x. So let's go to our terminal. 15. So very easy. So let's look at another operator. That is the division assignment operator. Division assignment operator. So that is the same thing as doing something like this: division and equals to. So let's look at an example. Assuming we have a variable y and y equals to 20, let's say 20, and to use the division assignment operator, what you just need to do is y divided or equals to 4. So what that does is the same thing as saying y equals to y divided by 4. So let's look at what it gives us. So what we do is I comment this out so that we don't get confused, and so let's console out the value of y. Console.log y. So let's go to our terminal and see. So that is 20 divided by 4. So this is what we have looked at assignment operators in JavaScript, and there are still some more. So in the next video we'll look at other assignment operators. Thank you. Please like and click the subscribe button. Thank you. Have a nice day.